Hi everyone, welcome to the TikTok channel, and today I want to show you how to use the if function in Microsoft Excel. So let's go.
So what we are looking at is 3 sales reps working for the company, and we've got their sales figures and we want to provide a commission to these people that is related to their sales figures.
So now that you have Excel open, let's go to a cell and type in equal if bracket and see how the formula looks.
So yes, let's type the if formula. So we start with if.
Now if you have a look at the top, you will see that you need 3 inputs into the formula.
And if will then ask you for 3 variables.
And number 1, have a look.
And the first one would be a test. So you need to provide a test. In this case, we're going to say if his sales is more than 75%. Once you have provided that, we need the second variable.
Number 2, let's have a look.
Which will be what to do when the test is true.
And the third variable in the formula is the following.
The third variable will ask you what to do if the test is false. So theoretically, we could say that if formula needs a test, then it needs to do the true section, and then it needs to do the false section. Now let's do that in a very practical manner. So I'm going to say equal if. I'm going to say if the sales value is greater than 75, what should you do? You should take the sales value and give the person 10% commission. Otherwise, we're going to give this person 0 commission. So there is the test part. That is the true part. And that is the false part. Now let's enter. So the first person gets 0. If I copy that down, you will see that the second person, because his sales is more than 75, he gets 10%, which is 10. And the third person is also more than 75, so he also gets 10%, which is the 15 value.
Now have a look out for my next video in TikTok, where I will show you another amazing formula in Excel. Bye!